Hey guys, I used to have to tighten all these morettes by hand, and then I found this cool thing on Amazon, and I'm gonna use it for the first time. I've used it a few times, but this is the first time it's really paying off. So I'm gonna set my phone up. I'll show you what I got to do here. See. Okay, so hopefully this doesn't drop. Really get a case on this. Ugh. How's that look? Okay, so this is what I used to have to do. I put these on, and I have to tighten them all up by hand, which is not terrible, but time consuming, and you have to get them nice and tight. Now what I do, is I got this. Watch this. Done. Awesome.